Where are we headed to?
Utah. We're going to see Lionel to be on his, he's got a cable TV show doing bike builds, and I believe this is his third season. So he wants to run Nowaskey suspension on the bike. So we're going to fly out there and install it for him. And our buddy Too Slick already shipped all the stuff out there, so we're traveling light. Leaving this morning, we'll be back tomorrow to finish a bike for another show this weekend.
Pete absolutely loves Southwest.
Yeah. Pick your own seat, I guess, huh?
Leaving home out on the road. I've been down before. Riding along on this big old jet plane. I've been thinking about my home.
What do you think, Nick?
Oh, we're out here in Utah with Pete. Super happy to be here. Mountains are gorgeous. I love Utah personally. A little warm today, but that's all right.
It's like 70, right, Nick?
I don't know. It feels like 90 out here.
All right. What's up, you world traveler? How's it going? Good, man. Good to see you.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, awesome. It's warm here right now.
You didn't know that?
Well, I know, but it's, I don't know. I guess what 70
We're supposed
something?
to be 90 today.
Yeah.
It was 90 yesterday. Let's go.
Yes, let's
I'm
do
hungry.
it. I'm hungry too. Which one is it here? Is it
Apollo.
Apollo?
Yep.
Okay.
So they're Greeks.
Oh, nice.
So y'all can get one, but I'm a fan. The Utah burger is big, but it's like bacon cheeseburger with Euro meat and pastrami on it.
But you know what I mean. I love it. Okay. Can you just call? I'm Pete Nowaskey with Nowaskey Extreme Performance, and today we're out in Utah, and I will be on an episode of Barnyard Bikes, and we will be installing Nowaskey suspension in Lionel's project for this awesome Season 3 episode, again, of Barnyard Bikes.
And I'm Lionel again with Barnyard Bike, and this is Pete Nowaskey coming to put in a real suspension in my bike because I'm tired of the crap and I'm tired of the original OEM garbage. So let's do it right and let's build a bike.
Let's get it done.
Hours got me going out my mind. Dallas dropped another game in
Warmer out here than Wisconsin. Is it a dry heat though?
65 from nowhere. I'm going. Guess I really went and messed it up again. Now my baby's goner than the Tulsa wind. Judging by the stone sober state I'm in, need to crack one wide open. Somebody pour me a drink, somebody bum me a smoke. I'm about to get on a buzz, I'm about to get on a roll. Yeah, I've been breaking my back, just keeping up with the Joneses. Y'all know what I mean, and y'all know how it goes when it's up.
You go by Pistol Pete, you better be able to say, oh yeah, I handle the big pistols. So that guy, this is a Magnum Research BFR 4570, the largest caliber revolver in the world. It's so large that that cylinder can only handle 5.
Yeah, that's why it's got that shape to it.
Oh yeah. So this is the 7.5 inch barrel. They've got bigger barrels, but if you know anything about the 4570, that round was actually developed to hunt big game. So you want to talk about elephant gun? That's elephant gun.
In your hand.
In your hand. I know guys that shoot Cape Buffalo, elephant, lions. They've gone after big bears, everything. And this is the round that puts them down. People talk about the Lapua, everything else like that. To me, numbers matter. 4570 government. That's the big boy. Yeah. So you'll shoot that guy. And then the most popular gun in the world is the Magnum Research Desert Eagle So this one's calibered in 4570. Excuse me, that's 4570.
Yep.
This is 50 AE.
Yep.
You know, this is the one that goes through cinder block walls and everything else, but that's got a loaded mag. Feel the weight of that sucker. You don't want to walk around
right?
carrying 9.5 pounds
You're
in your
not.
hand.
Oh, I'm anxious, Lionel.
So, grab one and carry. Let's go over here.
I know.
So this guy right there, that's my horse. Steel's his name. You know what I do with him? I've desensitized him enough that I've got a 45 dual revolvers, 45 LCP. I do mounted shooting off of him.
Yeah?
So I ride, we have a pattern of 10 balloons, and I've got to ride, pull gun. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Holster it, pull the next one, boom, boom, boom. And he runs just fine, no big deal at all.
Did I hit it?
You hit it.
My ears are ringing.
The preacher man says it's the end of time and the Mississippi
You were
River
low,
she's
then you were
a
high.
gold dry.
Hi. There she blows. That's a riot, isn't it?
And the stock
What?
market's down and you only get mugged if
That
you
is
go
awesome. I've
downtown.
never shot one of those. I'm so excited.
Try the 4570. I'm gonna warn you.
I live back in the woods.
Let's wait till my ears quit ringing.
All right, this one's like a 22 compared to that one.
I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
Like I said, I haven't shot a gun in 2 years, and then a couple heavy hitters. I'm like, I don't know what to
I
do.
can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Whiskey and a
So awesome.
That is wild.
All right.
those boys can't do.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Hey.
about right there.
I can't hear anything.
My camera guy's tougher than your camera guy.
Country folks can survive.
Yes!
Yeah, you guys are hitting right here.
Drive
You're
aside and you
hitting
can't make a run. 'Cause women more boys raised on shotguns.
Yes.
We say,
Look at the lead fragments.
Oh yeah, look at this guy. This one just flattened here.
Oh yeah, he's got a good one there.
Awesome.
Oh, that was the one that hit the target for sure, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna get our hands swabbed at TSA tomorrow.
I know. Well, here we are in the hotel room out in Utah. So we went and did all the shooting for the TV show. We got suspension installed on Lionel's project bike, front and rear. Did a lot of talking, hanging out. We got to shoot some awesome guns afterwards, which was awesome. Lionel's a super great guy and has been taking care of us. This is great. So he brought us back to the hotel. We got showered up and cleaned up, and I think now we're going to go out and get a steak. And we got an early flight tomorrow, so it's literally a turn and burn. But everything's good. We're going to go fill our bellies and get some shut-eye.
Yard left field hit a bomb out go down 23 feet. Yeah. Video every single beat.
Can you hold that? I think I want a Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. Yeah, thank you. Look at that baby, huh? Okay, well, we're back in Minneapolis. That was a quick trip. I think we were in Utah for like a total of 18 to 20 hours. But we got Lionel helped out, got suspension on his bike, and now it's back to work to get Slick's bike done. So we'll see you tomorrow.